Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rockstar games offline on PC. First, make sure your game is completely updated and has been launched at least one time while connected to the internet. This initial online launch is crucial for authentication and downloading any final patches. You'll also want to log into the Rockstar Games launcher with an active internet connection to ensure your credentials are saved. This prepares your system for seamless offline access later on. Next, let's configure the Rockstar Games launcher itself. Open the launcher and head over to its settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. Look for an option that allows the launcher to start in offline mode or remember your login. Enabling this feature is vital, as it tells the launcher to bypass online authentication checks when an internet connection isn't available. This step saves your login information locally for future use. It's important to remember that some Rockstar games might have specific requirements. For instance, after a significant game update, you might need to briefly connect online to re-authenticate or download new content. Always ensure that all single-player components of your game are fully downloaded and installed before attempting to play offline. Naturally, online multiplayer and social features will not be accessible without an internet connection, focusing your experience on the rich single-player narratives. If you encounter any issues playing offline, a quick fix is often to temporarily reconnect to the internet. This allows the launcher to refresh its authentication tokens and download any pending updates. Also, double-check your firewall settings to ensure they aren't inadvertently blocking the Rockstar Games launcher or your game files. Keeping both your game and the launcher updated to their latest versions will provide the most stable and reliable offline experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.